Have you ever thought about the food on your plate? Really thought about where it came from? Chances are it's traveled thousands of miles, crossing entire oceans to get to you. But that whole journey depends on something you never see, a massive mountain of paperwork. And you know what? Right now, that system is kind of broken.
We're talking about a global food paper jam, and it's not a small problem. This is a huge compliance crisis that creates delays and risks for the food we all eat every single day.
Get this, for just one shipment of food to cross into Europe, an importer has to manage over 30 different documents. 30! No, I'm not kidding. 30 documents for one single container. Now just imagine trying to manage hundreds of those.
That mountain of paperwork is just a tangled mess of PDFs, back and forth emails, even WhatsApp messages. And here's the crazy part. One single typo, one missing file, and boom, you're looking at catastrophic delays, rejected shipments, and, of course, huge financial losses. It's slow, it's messy, and it's incredibly risky.
So this is the heart of the problem, right? The industry is just stuck doing things the old way with manual checks and endless emails that lead to all these costly mistakes. The solution is to move to a single, smart platform, a place where compliance is automated, it's verified by AI, and it all happens instantly. This isn't just some small upgrade, it's a total game changer. So how do you fix a global paper jam? You have to build a smarter path forward. And that's exactly what the VeriPura solution is all about.
At its core, VeriPura is a digital platform built on trust. It uses really powerful AI to create a verified, traceable journey for our food, all the way from the moment it leaves the farm to the second it hits the grocery store shelf. So, you're probably wondering, how does this tech actually work? Well, it really just comes down to two key ingredients working together: artificial intelligence and blockchain, and their entire job is to create trust. And the process itself is actually pretty simple. First, a farmer or supplier just uploads their documents using a simple app on their phone. Right away, the platform's AI scans and verifies everything, checking for errors against all the complex import rules. And finally, once it's verified, that data is locked and secured on a blockchain, creating a permanent, tamper-proof record of that food's entire journey.
When we talk about the AI here, don't think of some complicated robot. It's more like the world's most diligent assistant. It reads every single document, cross-checks it with all the rules, and flags any potential problems in just seconds. Basically, it does all the tedious, boring work for you, automatically.
And that's where the blockchain comes in. Now, this isn't about crypto or anything like that. It's all about creating proof. It basically acts like a digital public notary for the entire supply chain. Every verified step gets locked into an unchangeable record, which creates permanent, undeniable trust. So this technology does a lot more than just move data around efficiently. It's actually building a chain of trust. And that trust creates real, tangible benefits for everyone involved, from the farmer on the ground all the way to the buyer in Europe. For the farmers and suppliers, who are often in places like Southeast Asia, this is really empowering. Instead of wrestling with complicated paperwork, they just use a simple mobile app to scan and upload their data. And here's the best part. When they provide good, verified information, they actually earn rewards, Veri tokens. It's a direct financial incentive to be transparent and accurate. Now, on the other side of the world, for the importers and buyers, the value is just as clear. They save a ton of time on compliance, and they dramatically cut the risk of having a shipment rejected. They get a complete auditable trail that proves exactly where their food came from, verifying everything from lab safety tests to super important sustainability data, like proving a product didn't come from a deforested area. So this all leads us to a final, really powerful question. What if the most important thing we imported wasn't just the food itself, but a guarantee of trust that came right along with it? This is the future that VeriPura is building, a world where our global food trade is finally transparent, safe, and trustworthy. A world where every single shipment is delivering trust, not just food.